citizens of Rhode Island are fighting back against the state's unconstitutional magazine ban. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, you should. My name is John Crump. I'm an investigative journalist, and I concentrate on the 2A space. I really need your help. Please, please, please like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this story and if this is happening in your state. So the ultra-liberal gun-hating legislature in Rhode Island passed a magazine ban. The magazine ban bans all magazines that hold more than 10 rounds. The governor, who is also a gun-hating liberal nut job named David McKee, signed it into law. Now, after the law goes into effect, which the governor signed wearing a Moms Demand Action shirt, if you get caught with a magazine and you have 180 days to comply, you will be sent to prison for 5 years and have a $5,000 fine. You have a few choices what to do with your magazines. There is no grandfather clause, so you have to transfer them out of the state, modify them so they cannot take more than 10 rounds, or turn them into the government. Now, the good people at Big Bear Hunting and Fishing Supply, 3 Rhode Island residents, and a Rhode Island homeowner that currently lives in Florida had a huge problem with this new law. So they sued in district court, and they're hoping to block the new law from going into effect. The group says that the banning of magazines that have been legally owned, used, and acquired is a physical appropriation of property, which is unconstitutional. So they're asking the district court to issue a preliminary injunction and a permanent injunction against the state and the state's new unconstitutional draconian anti-gun law. The Bruin Supreme Court decision can play into this case because that dealt with the level of scrutiny that judges can apply to Second Amendment cases. That decision can really help out the people of Rhode Island because they are suing for a violation of their Second Amendment rights and a bunch of other stuff. I really hope that they are successful. I haven't really looked into the district judges. A lot of times it depends on what the district judge that you get says. There's a lot of activist judges out there, and hopefully these guys don't get an activist judge and they get a judge that will rule on the merits of the case, which I think they have a really good chance of winning this. Who knows, this might be the next Supreme Court case in a few years, but I think there's a few other magazine cases that are going through the court system that are ahead of this. So hopefully the judge decides to do the right thing and issue a preliminary injunction and ultimately a permanent injunction against the new Rhode Island laws. The guys in Rhode Island have been fighting hard. I've been in contact with a few of them and they've been flooding the Capitol, but it doesn't seem like the liberal Democrat anti-gun people up in Rhode Island want to hear what their own citizens have to say. So what do? You vote them out. That's what you do. You organize, you get mad, you get angry, you stand up, and you throw their asses out on the street and replace them with pro-liberty politicians. I wish I could say you replace them with the average men or women that want to see liberty done and are not politicians. But I'm a realist and I realize the politicians will be politicians, so you have to put the correct politicians in there. Alright guys, that is it. Good luck to my friends in Rhode Island. I hope you win this, and I hope you take back your state. If you don't know who I am, once again, my name is John Crump. I love you very much. Stay ever vigilant, stay ever free. Keep in the fight. I am out of here. Wolverine's motherfucker.